This video was brought to you by the Destined Planner. Start the new year off more organized with one of their two featured planners, Marbella or Hosanna. You can get them both at thedestinedplanner.com. Hello everybody, I'm Avery with Online Income Network. Today I'm going to be showing off Mechanical Turk, also known as Mturk. Now what this is a place where you can do data entry, but not only can you come up here as a worker, but you can come up here as a requester as well. So as you can see over here, it says sign in as a requester, and then right above that, you can sign in as a worker. So if you're a requester, then you have some work that you need to be done, and you sign in and you put it out for somebody to do. As a worker, just the opposite. You come up here, you sign in, and you look at what needs to be done, and it's called hits. So you look at the hits that are up here, and then you pick one that you want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sign in as a worker. I'm not gonna be showing off me actually performing a task because I don't want this to be that. I don't want this video to be that long. I already did one. It's a couple years old, but it's still the exact same thing. So if you want to see me actually perform one of these tasks, then you can check out one of the cards that's, should be popping up right about now. But let's look at what's up here right now. Right in the front is shopping receipts, and you can extract the data from a shopping receipt, which is something I've done in one of those old videos. Like, let's go to the 100. And this is why they need them, because these receipts be kind of messed up, so they want somebody else to do it, so they got to deal with it, But yeah, that's it. But they only give you 1 penny for it, I don't want 1 penny. I want to do something that but somebody do them. I mean, this one got 2 hits. This one got 85 hits. So somebody does them. But let's switch that up. Instead of going from the smallest amount of money that you can make, let's go the opposite. Okay. So we got $30 up here. That's more what I'm talking about. Transcribe names and titles from 20 pages. Let's preview that. And I can't preview it. You gotta accept it. That's so whack. Why you got preview up there then, man? You got one for 15, survey for Indonesian speakers. I'm not Indonesian. I'm not a native, so I ain't gonna mess with it. I know very little Indonesian. Okay, we got write a summary of your life for $10. We can preview that. Let's go to preview. Okay, it says write a summary of your life. This task is a part of an art project. We are interested in the people doing work on Mturk. You can only do the task once. With that being said, some other tasks you can perform a couple of times. Now it says, please really write something about yourself. Where you were born, where you grew up, about your family, what makes your life special, what are your problems and sorrows, what makes you happy. Everything is fine as long as your personal story does not have to be nice or happy. We will approve any submission that fulfills the 1,000 words requirement, but of course we value every effort you make. Okay, so it just has to be 1,000 words long, but you can write whatever you want about your life. And it also says up here, what else? It must be original, of course, and do not include your name or your real address. There you go. And then you can press accept to accept it, and then write your summary here, country you live, and write a short note, 1 or 2 sentences about how you are using Mturk and how you feel about it. Yep. So what you see right here is exactly what you'll fill out. So let's go ahead, go back. Let's stop there for a second. Let's look at the dashboard. Okay, up here, you can see the dates, and then you can see the hit rewards, and then your bonus results, and the total rewards up here. And on the other side, you see you can transfer any money you make right here. This is wrong. You know, I must be on a different account. I must have made a new account because I have an old account, like I already stated, and I got $10 in there, man. I want my $10. I gotta find that. You got your earnings to date. So you got your approved hits, bonuses, and earnings. And let's look at one more hit. You get the concept, I'm sure, but let's just read one more hit up here. You got mental health and well-being for veterans. Look like a survey. Okay, but let's look at the qualifications. How do you qualify for some of this stuff? You see, like a lot of this stuff, it's locked. You got to qualify. Let's look at this. Okay, so qualifications has not been granted. Approval hit rate is not less than 95. Location is not of U.S. Total approved hits not less than 1,000. All right, and access has been granted. I don't know what this is, but total approved hits is not less than 1,000. So these two are not met. This one is wrong because I am in the U.S., but you have to have at least 1,000 hits in order to qualify for this. That's crazy. So you gotta put in work for some of these stuff. Well, let's go to qualifications up here. You got the hit approval rating, submission rate, the total approved hits, hit rejection rate, and hit abandonment rate, and then you hit return rate. So you got pending qualifications, which don't have anything up here, but one of the biggest hurdles will be having a hit approval rate, keeping your hit approval rate high, and then also getting a lot of hits up here, because the more hits that you have done and you have approved of will get you into more diverse hits that you can do. So I would say a lot of people would do the smaller hits, like the shopping receipts and all this other little stuff. They would do these because you can accept the work, because you don't need no qualifications to do this stuff, like the market research survey. Man, it's not gonna show me the whole survey, but you can take a survey up here. There's a lot of surveys up here. Waste your time though, because you're not making any money. You ain't freaking cent. Okay, so that's everything I wanted to show off with Mturk. What do you think of it? Do you think it's a waste of time? Do you think it's like a viable way to make some money? This is more like an actual job than anything else. You got to really put in some time to make money. But as you start getting qualified for more things, you'll be able to make more money at a quicker pace. So some people are able to make $100 a day up here. So, hey, man, if you want to be one of those people, just sign up and start getting to work. That's all I have for today. So hopefully like the information. If it was useful to you, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll be back with more videos very soon. Thanks for watching.